guys, welcome back to another video. And today I have my office annual party, so I'll be heading out by 6:30 p.m. and I'm getting ready now, and I don't know if I'll be making the vlog, but I will try to take more videos, tons and tons of videos, and make a vlog out of it, compile them. So if you're seeing this, maybe I have made quite a lot of videos and I compiled them. I'm getting ready now, stay tuned. I'm finally done and I'm waiting for my cab. It's gonna arrive anytime, and I don't know, I'm excited, very excited, or yes, no, maybe somewhere in between. I'm looking forward to it, though I'm not very excited. I'm looking forward to it because it's gonna be my first time attending such parties, and previously there was one award show and I couldn't attend that because I had some other important things to attend, and I'm finally going for this, so I'm looking forward to it. My face, it's so rough now, but hopefully it's progressing as well. It's getting better. This happened right after I got sick. Right after I got sick, my face got rough because I was sick for 1 week, and I did not eat properly, nor did I do my skincare. So right after that, my face got so rough, and now it's progressing. Finally reached the spot, and we're gonna wait. Hi Priyanka.
Spooky Halloween season.
Halloween. Go like this.
So guys, we're finally here. We got this band, the venue. Rubali is finally here.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Woohoo! Woo! And we're reserving this table for my team, Taylor Swift. Finally, my friend is here. Huh. gonna go back now. I'm still waiting for my friend to go down to basement together.
Went back home, and since I don't know how to dance, I kept eating. Nevertheless, I enjoyed the vibe. I ate. I enjoyed watching them dance.
I'm finally back home. I had a lot of fun. I ate, and ate. I literally I kept eating, and even when people were dancing, I kept eating. I ate lots and lots and came back. So it was also good. I had a lot of fun. Yeah. And that's all for today's vlog. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.